Here are 5 mistakes that early drone adopters make and how you can avoid them. Number 1. They don't start with the end result in mind. Ask yourself, how is the drone going to help you solve a problem? Before digging into specific features and technologies, it's critical to understand what data needs to be collected and how it will be applied. Number 2. They don't consider the entire package. People often think that drones can do everything themselves. However, there's no one button to push that makes everything happen. There's a workflow, and there's still expertise from a human that needs to be put into all stages of operation. Having the key personnel that understand what to do with that data is always the biggest part of the project. Number 3. They don't have the business and customers in place. You can't just buy a drone, start a business, and expect to be successful. You need a body of customers who already know, like, and trust you. Then, you can add drone surveying equipment to your toolbox to help create better solutions and provide more accurate data. Number 4. They haven't budgeted appropriately. Price can often be a barrier when it comes to purchasing the best drone surveying solution for your company. Oftentimes, professionals might try to cut corners by opting for a low-cost budget beater. However, if the lower-end drone can't produce the quality of data required to create a solution, in the long run, this route can be more costly. Be sure you have the right tool for the job. Number 5. They haven't got the proper training, certifications, and knowledge. Regulations of commercial drone use evolve as the technology continues to develop. Therefore, be sure you're familiar with all federal, state, and regional regulations, acquire the proper certifications, and be sure to be fully trained and qualified to operate your drone. Are you ready to make drone surveying equipment a part of your surveying business? Just talk with one of our sales experts today and learn how you can avoid some of the common mistakes early drone adopters make. Click the link in the description.